uzoyigcina impilo yami, uzoyigcina impilo yami, uphinde ukhusele umoya wami, ukhusele umoya wami, ngoba mina ngizohamba, ngizohamba ngijonge kuwe ngamaxesha wonke. So one of you asked me to play Uzoyigcina impilo yami so by Busira Deve. So the original key of the song is F sharp, okay? So I will use G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp to break it down, okay? So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this from TikTok, Facebook, go to my YouTube channel, Sansa Mavestas Piano Seminary, and watch full tutorial, okay? So before any waste of time, let's first break it down in G sharp. Please don't forget to subscribe, all right? So in G sharp, it starts right here. Like usomandla uzoyigcina impilo yami, uzoyigcina impilo yami. Okay? The song is quite simple, okay? The song is quite simple. It starts right here. You say 1, first inversion, then you go here, 4, 6, then 5, and that's the progression of our song. Uphinde ukhusele umoya wami. I hope you see it. Ukhusele na na, this one, ne? Then you go umoya wami. So that part, ngoba mina ngizohamba, like this one, then you go here, then you go here, then you go here, I hope you saw it. You will say 1, second inversion, 2, 1, 5, then you go again to 1, 1, 5, then 6, then you go to 1's first inversion, then you go to 4, then 6, after that you say 5, then that's how it is in A flat, which is G sharp. Then that's how it is. So its original key F sharp, so it starts right here. Uzomandla uzoyigcina impilo yami. This one. Impilo yami. That's how it goes. Ukhusele, this one, ne? Then you go to this one. Then you go to this one. Then you go to this one. Okay? So this is how it goes. The progression is the same as A flat, okay? So from there you'll say this one, Mbangi, then you go here, then you go here, okay? Then you go again back to 1, then that's how our song goes. The song is very, very simple, guys. So the song is very, 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 very simple. Very simple. one, then this one, okay? This one, sorry. Okay? Then yeah, that's how it is. All right, that's how it is. So let's not waste time on one key. So let's go straight to C sharp. Okay, so in C sharp it starts right here. Uzoyicina impilo yam, uzoyicina. This one. I hope you see it. Uzoyicina. This one. This one. Then you go here. Then you go here. Pilo yam. Okay. Ukuse lumaya wam. Ukuse. This one. Then you go this one, then you go to this one, then you go to this one. So yeah, that part nizohamba this one, ne? Nizohamba ngijonge, okay? Guwe, like guwe. Sorry, this one, ne? Namatesha wonke. Okay? This one. You go to one. Go to this one. Then you go to this one. This one. Then that's where you end your song. Thank you so much for following and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Keep on subscribing. Thank you.